The next hadith is the hadith of Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhuma, wherein the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, لو يعطى الناس بدعواهم لادعى رجال أموال قوم ودماءهم ولكن البينة على المدعي واليمين على من أنكر. A beautiful narration of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, hadithun hasanun rawahu al-Bayhaqi wa ghayruhu. My brothers and sisters, before I translate this hadith, let me explain to you that allegations are many against people, but those that have evidence are very few. People say things about others, especially today, in a world of social media where people can hide and say whatever they want about others. So many accusations are leveled against people. In Islam, we do believe in the notion innocent until proven guilty in its totality. Everyone is innocent until they are proven guilty. And this hadith has a very, very similar meaning. It carries the outline of that particular statement that we hear being uttered. As much as on the globe people say everyone is innocent until proven guilty, social media has changed that, where a small allegation makes people guilty until proven innocent. Notice how the tables have turned. If someone actually says something about you online, everyone would expect you to come and clarify it and present your innocence. Look at how the world has changed. Honestly, it has changed. Whereas there was a time when we were, and from a legal perspective, innocent until proven guilty. If someone wants to say something against you, they must come up with concrete evidence. That is the proper teaching of Islam. Many of us fall in this trap and we say, well, it can't be a lie. Well, it's overwhelming. Well, it's this. But there is absolutely no evidence. One of the signs of Qiyamah is that, Qiyamah meaning the day of judgment, the end. One of the signs of the last day, the day of resurrection. And the fact that time is, coming to an end, or the world is coming to an end. One of the signs is people will believe falsehood and belie the truth. Amazing. I think we've gotten there almost. In most cases, people are very quick to believe falsehood without verifying. And at the same time, people do not believe the truth anymore.